What's going on, mother truckers? Look, I want to put this out there because the truck driver, the subscriber, felt very disrespected by this, and I want you guys to comment down below and let me know if the subscriber was right in feeling this way. Basically, I get this email that says, thought this may be of some interest to you. At the Pilot Travel Center on the I-40 exit 320 in Crossville, Tennessee, I was there at 2/19/22 at 5:20 a.m. The sign was on their door. This wasn't the first time, and it seems to be seeing it more and more often with the Flying J's. Okay, so here's the question that I propose. Is it wrong for a truck stop to put a sign that says that no showers are available because they don't have enough workers to clean it? Do you find that as being acceptable? Comment down below. Here's what the sign actually said. It said, due to a lack of staff, showers are unavailable tonight. Sorry for the inconvenience. You know, as truck drivers, we do work our butts off, and you would hope that we're at a truck stop or just try and get some warm food, or at least some food, and of course, some parking and a shower, right? A nice hot shower. So the fact that they don't have that, for one, if the manager's there, do you think it should be the manager's job to clean that shower for the truck driver? Because at the end of the day, we are their number one client. Second, is this a problem in America, and do you give them a pass on this? So, mother truckers, comment down below. I really want to hear from you guys. But honestly, every time I do go to a Petro or a TA, they usually have somebody there cleaning the showers. I'm just going to be honest. You know, I'm here with my man right here, actually. You know, Mr. Robert Sean Dixon, Mr. Truck Miser himself. What are your thoughts? Because honestly, when I do go to the Petros and TAs, they always have a guy or a girl in a white coat cleaning the showers. They have someone just for that. Have you ever found yourself at any other truck stop having an issue?
Yeah, I've seen it recently. We got issues everywhere, though, across this country, huh? I mean, the lower jobs that aren't really as desired.
Yeah.
Well, if you're getting 75% of your unemployment check, would you want to go do that low job?
We'll leave it at that. We'll leave it at that. But you know, for the subscribers watching this, as a truck driver, you're working your butt off.
Yeah.
And you're ready to go park and take a shower.
Absolutely.
Do you feel like the truck driver is definitely in the right to feel a type of emotion?
Hey, you know what? We really definitely need showers in our truck stops for certain. We don't need a bunch of stinky truckers going around the country, right? But, you know, we do have to recognize we got some issues with our employment. And across the country, I don't know about everybody else, but I'm having an awful hard time getting anything done in a timely manner. So here it is with the truck stops, really having situations and, you know, to clean those showers. I don't think the manager is going to be going over there to clean the shower out for the truck driver, and then the cashier who's, you know, typing away and making the money for the truck stop.
Right.
I mean, that's a job in itself. So
the entrepreneur in you kind of feel and understand.
Hey, yeah.
But me, if I was the manager of the Pilot, I would actually clean it. I know I would. Because I've done it before as a Walgreens assistant manager, making $13.50 an hour when that bathroom was messed up, and they're like, Alex, we ain't doing that one. I would do it because I honestly feel that I could never ask someone to do something that I wouldn't do myself. That's how I truly feel about that. So maybe the manager wasn't there, but I would say this, it would depend. But hey, if a guy or a woman, a truck driver really needed a shower,
the manager should be in there cleaning the shower out.
I just think they could have been able to make that happen.